guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi to each and every one of you guys watching. What's up? If you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? My name is Diana and welcome to my channel. Now if you are new, please go ahead and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share, and also give me a thumbs up if you would like. You don't have to, but you know, whatever, it'll help a girl out. To my old subscribers, what's up guys? Welcome back. Welcome, and go ahead and give me a like also, and share this video if you guys want. So today's video we're gonna be doing a eyebrow tutorial, basically showing you guys how to do the eyebrows that I do now. It is a updated eyebrow tutorial because I've done eyebrow tutorials here before, just that I just use different product now, and the technique is almost the same, just a little slightly different, but just almost the same. If you are interested in seeing how I do this, how I do my eyebrows like this, please keep on watching. And the products I do use, I will be talking about them right now. I do use the Studio Finish Concealer, and this one is just a duo. I bought this at Nordstrom Rack a long time ago, and it's really good. It is the small little paint pot. I do have it, but I don't know where it's at right now. So it's a small little containers, and this is really a good concealer for under your eyebrows. It does have a creamy concealer, and it does leave like a super matte creamy look, and it does kind of sculpt your eyebrows great. For the eyebrow product, it is not a pomade. This time I'm using a gel liner. I am using the NYX gel liner in Jet Black just because I wanted to try out a darker eyebrow, but this is my favorite gel liner also. Well, not for like my top of my eye. I usually use just like liquid liner, but I do like a gel liner for my eyebrows. They do keep my eyebrows right in place. They don't move them around. It stays completely matte and beautiful, and they won't go nowhere. So this is what I like using. So if you are interested in seeing how I do my eyebrows, please guys, let's just get started. So for today we're gonna be doing the eyebrow. Now this is the brush that I use now. Either I go from either this brush or this brush here. This is the Morphe times Jeffree Star JS7 brush, and then I also use the E29 brush by Morphe. These are my go-to eyebrow brushes, but today we are going to use the Jeffree Star one. I do like to use a gel liner. Now my eyebrows, I like my eyebrows super fucking dark, so basically I've been doing like the jet black liner. So I do the jet black eyeliner from NYX. So all I'm gonna go ahead and do is grab the product and put it in the cap with the brush. Basically go back and forth with the product and start lining up your eyebrow. Because I do have a lot of like sparse areas in my eyebrow, and also a scar over here. I like my eyebrow really dark, and I feel like when I use this product, I know there's like a lot of pomades out there, and I've tried a lot of them. I feel like gel liners do the best work because they don't move around. I know some eyebrow products don't move around either, but I feel like for me, I think gel liners just have more of that power where your eyebrows will not go any fucking where. So what I'm gonna do is just pull in this, and basically I do the same thing as I would usually do before, just that I don't go right inside this part here with the outlining. I just basically do the outline from like right here, and then I pull the product with the spoolie. And then what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna grab more product. Of course I'm doing it and I'm like working it in my cap. I'm gonna do some hair strokes here. Make sure you get the brush super thin if you want those hair strokes. Because I don't have a lot of hair here, but I do want the illusion of hairs there, and I do like the what is it called, the spike up effect here in the front of my eyebrows. So that's why I do it there. And then here I'm gonna lightly do it brush, and then start feathering up again. See how beautiful this eyebrow is? It gave me that pretty nice effect. So now we're gonna do the same thing for this eyebrow, but I think I went in too close. I'm just gonna blend this out before spoolie it before it gets dry and I'm not able to move it around. So what I'm gonna do now is just grab the product again, get some more product, put it in my brush, and then now remember, my eyebrows they're not gonna be the same because they just fucking don't. I don't know how to tame these bitches. So my eyebrows are completely different. I feel like this one's a little bit more higher than that one all the time. So bitch, we do not please. But that's okay. I don't care. And we're just gonna kind of go a little bit more down right here. Because I feel like we're super high right there. And guys, I don't know why, but before I would like look at girls with dark black eyebrows and I'll be like, what the fuck are they doing? But seriously, like all their eyebrow will be like super fucking black, like a black square eyebrow, and that doesn't look cute. I mean, this one at least is a little bit more smoked out, and you know, it's not as dark, just dark black. It does have this little effect in the front, which is that, like, what is it called, that lighting, no, what is it called, like that ombre effect in the front of my eyebrow. It doesn't look as bad. So now we're gonna do hair strokes here, just because we already did hair strokes on the other one. We don't want it to look different. Well, it's still gonna look different, but you know what I mean. I'm trying to make it look as close as I can to this one, even though this one I always drag it a little bit more down, but that's okay. I am going to conceal my eyebrows and I'll be able to fix it from there. The eyebrows are gonna look like this. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal, and of course when you conceal, it just gives you more of a cleaner eyebrow, which I don't have to conceal if I don't want to. I would just conceal like in the front, which I do need it there. That's about it. I love how this looks. It's not everybody's cup of tea, of course it's not. not everybody likes this type of eyebrow. I do personally. I fucking love it. So now what I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows with, it is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer. This is just a duo. I'm gonna use this small Wet n Wild brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this right there. Like so. And you could actually clean this part if you feel like you need to. I don't need to because, but I do it sometimes. Either way, if I'm in a hurry, I won't do it. But if I'm like chilling, just doing my makeup, I will do it. You don't have to, because the I feel like the gel liner, it gives you that crispy line where you don't have to do all that. So now we're just gonna do it on this side. And maybe here a little bit. Okay, sometimes I do go overboard and I fuck shit up. That's okay. We will go back in and fix this shirt. See, there we go. So that's what that's gonna look like. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I like doing this because I'm gonna grab a setting powder and I'm just gonna set that. I'm just gonna take this one. I'm just gonna set the concealer I just applied. And we're just gonna go in with a blending brush. Oops. We're just gonna go with any blending brush and we're just gonna blend this out. Thank God. There we go. We're gonna take a little bit of shadow. So basically that's what the eyebrows are gonna look like. We're gonna go ahead and also add a gel liner. I mean a gel eyebrow gel. This is the Anastasia one. You could use any one you want. I go back and forth with this one or the e.l.f. one. So that's what that's gonna look like. Alright, so that's it for the eyebrows. I hope you guys do like the eyebrow tutorial I just did, and you guys enjoy it. And the eyebrows don't look bad. Like I mean, I have super fucking black hair. This is my color hair, so I know I have like super dark black hair. So I do like my eyebrows dark too. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.